Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this nutritious seasoning. So right here we have our onions, we have pepper, we have fresh thyme. Right here we have our spring onions, we have garlic, as you can see. We have ginger here with the skin on. And right here we have our oregano, basil, thyme, salt, rosemary, honey to taste, and about 2 cloves. So let's just proceed to blend it. And we'll also need a glass of water, about 1 to 2 glasses of water. First things first, we are going to pour in the ginger, garlic, thyme, we have onions right here, add the spring onions, peppers, dry seasoning, we have basil. Now if you have the fresh ingredients of this, you really do not need to add in the dry ones. We have our oregano, rosemary, which is the queen of all seasoning. We have salt right here. We have 2 cloves, honey to taste, glass of water. We're just going to blend this. So let's open this, and this is what we have. This is the seasoning. You can see it's very thick. Now if you'd like to add some more water, feel free to add some more water. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.